leave a like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, or else next time you will open a base plate, it will look like this. I'm not gonna risk this. As you probably know from the title, we're gonna be making a similar game only using free models. That's gonna be really cool. And without further talking, let's just get into this stuff. Alright, so here we are, just a normal base plate, and let's just search simulator, maybe. Yeah, this search simulator kid. And here we go. Now there's a bunch of kits you can choose, and yeah, let's see what we're gonna. Let's check this out. Is it just me, or this kid's looking kinda nice? I think this kid looks nice. Yeah, I mean, I think this is good. Yeah, let's take this. Let's take this. All right, so let's ungroup this first of all. Right click, and we're just gonna ungroup. Yeah, so let's just follow the steps. And as well, guys, I added this guy to the project. Like, it's just the main reason I added him is because I like his Kaji. I just like his Kaji. And by the way, if you want him, then just go over and search bald guy, and you're just gonna find him. Really, just search bald guy, and he's right there. Dude, I really love his Kaji. And yeah, I think this is officially set up, so let's try it out. Okay, I'm excited. I want to see what happens. Wait, whoa. Let's actually stop this. It's actually, whoa, freeze. All right, so we need to publish this. So I already published that, so you guys gotta publish it, all right, if you're following along for some reason. And as well, after, you need to go to create, and I've probably already showed you guys this in one of my tutorials. This is really important. You find your place and you go configure game, and after doing this, you gotta activate the API services, because obviously this is gonna get APIs from your game and run your game like if you're actually playing your game online, though you're still in Roblox Studio. So you gotta do this. Make sure you do this. Like, this is important. Sometimes stuff won't work without this on, but let's just run this. All right. So let's see. Okay. Oh, all right. So this is already not a really good sign, though. Let's oh, ooh, maybe I will take. I'm just kidding. No. Okay, this is not a good sign. So like, this is already a bad thing. And though the other stuff seems to be working. Like, stuff seems to be working. Like, wait, let's try those multipliers. This is working. This is actually working. This is so cool. This is working. Let's go. This is working. This is actually working, guys. That's actually cool. That's not gonna lie. This is really nice. Like, that's literally a button simulator right there. Like, no effort. You just take it like that and it's yours. Like, yo, totally credits to the guy who made it. Credits to him. Like, that's good. Good job, man. Like, if he has a YouTube channel, I'll add a description. So those are working too. This is actually really good. This is I'm getting rich. I'm gonna get rich, guys. I'm gonna get rich. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's short and all, but that's all I had for now. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And if you made it this far, make sure to comment down below best dev ever. Right, comment down below. Like, I will be hosting some giveaways in my group, so make sure to join it. Link in the description. Thank you so much. Make sure to join the Discord server if you want, and peace out.